governance strength, I'm assuming, relates to the DAO and its functioning and how it controls the project?
Yeah, directionally, that's correct. So specifically what we look at for governance strength is the holder distribution. Taking a step back, the security score, pretty much all the metrics on the security score are fully automated, right? And the reason why we do that is because, one, we want to monitor everything in real time and display if there's any sudden changes that can reflect in the score. But then two, it also helps us, scale the score and make it unbiased, right? So if we have everything kind of fully automated, there's less of a human error bias in place there. So going back to your question about governance strength, what we look at is the token holder distribution. So sometimes people call this token economics, but what we'll do is look on chain and analyze the distribution holdings. So, is a vast majority of the token held by whale wallets, or, what percentage of that is distributed among more community wallets? And then most tokens have a role within the governance process. So the more distributed your token is, the better insight we have into the strength of your governance and the overall ability of that. We also look at private key movement. So, if the project team has any sort of centralized control over the protocol and they're invoking certain functions from their private keys, we can detect that as well and kind of note that. That's more in the market stability section under token activity, but I guess it tangentially relates to governance.
So contract upgrades, whether the team has the power to do that, that plays into that metric.
Yeah, correct.